right, at temperatures a little cool, but at least as mentioned earlier, a chance to see the sunshine today. Another nice fall day and another great day to have a Shields weather kit in-house helping Hutch do the old weather. All right, let's step on out here. We have Xander Mullinax. Xander is from Grand Forks, and how old are you, young man?
9 years old.
9 years old. What's your favorite subject in school?
Reading.
Reading. And let's see, do you do anything outside of school that's lots of fun?
Art.
Art is fun. All right, well, today we're going to talk a little bit about the weather. Do you want to say hi to anybody before we get started?
Who do I want to say hi to?
So you think about it. And first and foremost, let's tell everybody in Fargo what's going on with the weather. Why don't you point out the temperature for us?
Today in Fargo, it is 50 degrees Fahrenheit.
Very good. And in Moorhead, it's the same temperature. How fast is the wind blowing?
13 miles per hour.
Good. In Grand Forks, does it look real sunny, cloudy, or
Nope.
a little of both?
It looks a little both. It is 51 degrees in Grand Forks.
Fahrenheit. And the wind?
The wind is
Gusting.
gusting 24 miles per hour.
Excellent work, Xander. Take a look at temperatures up here. Now, it's cold way up in Langdon where Hutch can reach. Why don't you tell everybody down south what the temperatures are?
Okay. It is 48 degrees.
In Sisseton. Good
In
job.
Sisseton.
Now let's look into Minnesota and see what's going on there.
Okay.
Why don't you pick a town? Anyone. How about this one right here, Detroit Lakes? What's their temperature?
It is 48
Nice.
degrees in Detroit Lakes.
Nice work. Here's a look at the satellite and radar as we zoom out. What is all this green stuff down here?
This is rain.
This is rain, and then the white stuff is
Clouds.
clouds. So we have clear skies near Duluth, a lot of clouds here, but let's turn around and show everybody what's coming our way from Williston. What is that?
This right here is snow.
All right, let's see where that snow goes. We better keep our eyes on that in the forecast. But for now, this evening, the rain chances will be down south here. What town is close to the rain here?
Watertown.
Watertown, Sisseton, and Fergus Falls. All right, let's take a look back here at the forecast. Now, if you're going out this evening, all the rain stays to the south and east. It's going to be a cool night out there. How cool will the temperature be tonight in Langdon? Do you see this?
It will be 38 degrees in Langdon.
Good. Now, tonight at 10 o'clock, there'll be even more 30s. And what's this blue stuff?
Snow.
A chance for a few flakes moving in. It doesn't look like a big deal yet. Then we head to bed. Look at all this snow out in the Arrowhead of Minnesota. That's over here. Yep. And then what's this right up here?
Snow.
What towns have a chance at snow in the morning?
Grand Forks and Thief River.
Thief River Falls. Good. And also Hallock. So our northern counties could see flaky weather for your Friday morning.
So you better get your shovel.
You better get your shovel. Hopefully we don't have enough to shovel. Maybe broom off. And it's going to be cold, right, in the 30s. All right, take a step back here, Xander, and let's tell everybody at that lunchtime what they can expect their temperatures to climb up to about in Fargo.
44 degrees.
Excellent work. Now, after school, does it look like it's still snowing?
No.
No.
It is 46 degrees.
46, and there'll be a chance for a few sprinkles here and there, but not a big deal. It looks just like a cold day out there across the region. Cold enough for one of these. What's this called?
Freeze warning.
Freeze warning. Okay, sound effects and all, and we have a frost advisory across the Southern Valley. It includes Fargo. Make sure you bring your tomatoes in or cover them and your plants as well. Tell everybody their Grand Forks bus stop forecast tomorrow morning.
It will be 32 degrees, partly sunny, chilly.
And the name of your school is?
Phoenix.
Phoenix Elementary. Recess weather.
39 degrees.
Plenty
More
of
clouds
clouds.
around.
That's right. And after school.
45 degrees, cloudy sprinkles or flurries.
All right, it's just one of those kind of cool days. Your hometown forecast shows coolest weather to the north and east, where there still could be some flurries around throughout the afternoon.
Oh, lamppost.
Time to rake the leaves, huh? Sharon, sharing a photo from Bemidji, just beautiful there. Tell everybody the temperature we get to on Saturday, Xander.
We will get 53
Good,
degrees Fahrenheit.
53. So a cool weekend. Does it look warmer on Sunday?
Yes.
Yes. Xander, nice work. Follow me over here. Enjoy your weekend because we warm up briefly and then we'll see a chance of some rain working its way into the area as we head through Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Xander, I like your sound effects. The animation is outstanding. Did you have fun?
Yep.
All right, very good.
Xander, you're awesome. Thanks for coming by.
Yep.
All right, there's a drone.